Good morning, everybody, and welcome to the Trade Talk podcast, where we talk about macroeconomics, stocks, and indices in brief. Globally, the trend of the equity is mixed. Rather, I would say it's a consolidation sort of trend and it's more sensitive to the news flow. Major factors like bond yields, the dollar index, and crude prices are at an unchanged levels, and the base metal prices are inching up on a day-to-day basis. All these things are related to inflation, and we are focusing on the pace of inflation, and based on that we should be either a buyer or seller in the market. Currently we are seeing a lot of activity in those stocks where the inflation is supporting, like metals, commodities, crude prices, crude oil. All these things are like getting support from the rise in the inflation, even agro commodities, and later on we are going to see uh, inflation in real estate prices. I'm to say on the land side. So all these things are now uh, uh, supporting or getting support from the rise in the inflation, and that is why we are seeing a lot of activity in all these commodities. But if we go through with the other sectors like auto and few FMCGs where they are getting impact from the rise in the agro commodity prices and all. So all these sectors are not performing right now, and new economy sector is under the pressure because cyclicals are doing well. So broadly, the market is following to the pace of or the information or news flow on the inflation. On the day of weekly expiry, based on option statistics, Nifty to remain between the trading range of 14,800 and 14,500. The bank Nifty should do better, and there we are expecting 32,500 on the low side and 33,200 on the higher side based on option statistics. Technically, post Tuesday's sharp sell off, on Wednesday, the market was trading within the previous day's trading range, which clearly indicates that there is like indecisiveness between bulls and bears. The Nifty has formed inside body formation, and it was very near to the crucial area of 20 days simple moving average, which is broadly positive for the market. We are of the view that in the short term, the Nifty is heading for the levels of 14,750, 14,820 on the higher side. On the lower side, 14,500 is going to act as major support, and below that maybe 14,400. But based on statistics, 14,800, 14,500 should be the range for the day. Um on the other side, if we see a sector specific or stock specific activity, then today we need to focus on financials along with commodities and pharmaceuticals, because we are seeing a lot of follow up activity in financials, in commodities and in pharmaceuticals. But in financials we are seeing a lot of trading activity, and yesterday we saw some reversal activity from lower levels in all financials. So there we are expecting further more upside. Our top picks are ICICI Bank, State Bank from the financials. We are going to focus on Hindalco, Jindal Steel and Power from the commodities, and Ambuja Cement from the cement stocks, Cipla and Infosys from the defensives. From the FMCG basket, we like Nestle, which is currently trading at some 16,600, 16,500. And if there is a view of at least next 1 to 3 months, then certainly we should look for adding Nestle to our positional portfolio. Friends, that's all from my side. With this, I am ending today's morning podcast. Thank you very much for listening in, and have a great day to all of you.